We're going to learn how to track changes. Now, if you're working on a document with somebody and you want to see the changes they have made, or you want them to see the changes you have made, and be able to accept or reject those changes, then track changes is the way to go. How we track changes is we go to the Review tab and we select the Track Changes icon in the Tracking group. Now you can go ahead and make changes to your document, so you are able to see what has been deleted and what has been inserted. It will even track the formatting changes. As you can see, it has tracked the deletions that I've made, as well as the additions that I've made to the document. Now, if you want to see the document without the track changes, you go to your Show Markup icon on the Tracking group, go to Specific People, and you untick whoever has made the changes in the document, which is myself. You can see now you are viewing the document without the changes. If you want the changes to be put back in, you go back to Specific People and you select All Reviewers. So if a number of people have tracked changes in the same document, you can control whose changes you are able to see and whose changes you aren't able to see. You can also insert comments into the document. You simply highlight the text that you'd like to comment on. You go to your comment section and you select New Comment. Now it will bring up the author's name. You can insert your comment. So when the next person is reviewing this document, they're able to see the comment that you have made on that text. And to add another comment on the same section of text, you simply select this icon on the right hand side. And there it has inserted your second comment. Again, highlight your text where you want your comment to be inserted. Select New Comment, and it gives you the option of writing your comment. Now if you want to delete a comment, you go to where your comment is situated, you right click it and you select Delete Comment. Again, you go to your comment, you right click it and you select Delete Comment. Now if you want to go through the changes made in the document and you want to decide whether to accept or reject them, you go to your Changes group, and if you're happy with the changes that have been made, you click on Accept. And if you're not happy with the changes that have been made, you can click on Reject, and it takes those changes away. Now if we want to go between the different changes that have been made, you can select Previous or Next. That is, if you don't want to accept or reject, you can simply scroll through them, and if you want to accept or reject them, you can click on accept. You can also accept and move to the next, accept this change, accept all changes, and stop tracking. The options are reject and move to next, reject change, reject all changes, and stop tracking. So I'm going to go to accept, and I'm going to click on accept all changes, and there all the changes have been accepted. And you'll see that the right hand margin where your track changes were being listed and your comments were being made has now disappeared. And that is how you track changes and accept and reject changes made to your document.